everybody. This is not Digital David. I'm David's wife, Aimee, so I guess that makes me Digital Aimee for the day. I'm here to unbox and review a pair of sandals that we received. And just a side note that any opinion expressed is my own, even though we did receive these to unbox. Also, click the link below to see what the sandals look like on the Amazon website. And there is even a promo code to get 30% off of these bad boys. All right, let's get started. Ooh. Nice packaging. Seems pretty standard. I love the colors of these. Obviously, you can see by the sweater I'm wearing, I really like neutrals. So I picked these because I thought that they would just be perfect and would go with everything. They're really cute. They have like this really pretty beading throughout the top part. They are a little bit of a wedge, so if you are short or just like to look a little taller, they can give you an extra, I don't know, I'd say 1.5 inches or so. Here's the other one. Looks really good. Can't wait to try them on. All right, I'm back. I have the shoes on. They are surprisingly comfortable for something that I didn't get to try on in person. Don't know if I've said this already, but just to reiterate, I would order at least a size up. So I usually wear 8.5s and these are 9s, and they are right there. If my feet were any bigger, these shoes would probably be too small. But you can see my foot is in line with the back of the sandal. So order a size up. They're really cute. I can tell in the summer that these are gonna go with everything. Really comfortable so far. I'm sure my feet will have to get used to them, but overall, I really like them. All right, that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Remember that there is a link in the description below with a 30% off promo code, which is awesome. So you can get these bad boys for a really, really good price. And it's almost spring, so it's the perfect time to get them. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel Digital David, and have a great day. I'll see you around.